Hello everyone, this is Jeebon, your travel guide for today. We are about to embark on a journey that will take us to the enchanting corners of a land that has fascinated travelers for centuries. A land that is a melting pot of cultures, a canvas of diverse landscapes, and a testament to epochs of history. India. From the towering Himalayas in the north to the serene backwaters in the south, from the arid Thar Desert in the west to the lush tea gardens in the east, India is a country of contrasts. And amidst this dazzling array of diversity, there are spots that shine just a bit brighter, places that pull at the heartstrings of every wanderer. Today, we will explore 5 such must-visit destinations in this mystical land. Each one is a jewel in India's crown, offering a unique glimpse into the soul of this vibrant country. So buckle up and prepare to embark on this exciting adventure through India. Our first destination is the iconic Taj Mahal, a symbol of love and an architectural marvel. This breathtaking monument nestled in the heart of Agra is a testament to the grandiose Mughal Empire that once held sway over vast swathes of the Indian subcontinent. The Taj Mahal's history is as captivating as its beauty. It was commissioned in the 17th century by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. This monument, a labor of love, took over 20 years to complete with the efforts of around 20,000 workers from India and Central Asia, along with about 1,000 elephants. They worked tirelessly to bring to life an architectural masterpiece that has stood the test of time. Crafted from gleaming white marble, the Taj Mahal is a stunning example of Mughal architecture, an amalgamation of Persian, Turkish, and Indian styles. The central dome, soaring to a height of nearly 240 feet, is flanked by 4 slender minarets. Intricate calligraphy and delicate floral patterns adorn the exterior, while semi-precious stones inlaid in the marble interiors create a mesmerizing effect. The Taj Mahal is not just a monument, but a symbol of India's rich cultural heritage. It's no wonder that it has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. Every year, millions of visitors from around the globe are drawn to its captivating beauty and its timeless tale of love and loss. But the Taj is not just about its physical beauty. It also represents an era of cultural and artistic flourishing, and a powerful symbol of love and devotion. The story of Shah Jahan's love for Mumtaz Mahal, his grief at her passing, and his determination to immortalize her memory in stone adds a poignant depth to the Taj's grandeur. The Taj Mahal's magnificence and the story behind it truly make it a must-visit destination. This iconic edifice, a symbol of love etched in marble, stands as a testament to the enduring allure of India's rich history and cultural heritage. Next, we travel to the south of India, to Kerala's enchanting backwaters. Imagine a labyrinth of waterways stretching over hundreds of kilometers, interspersed with lush greenery and vibrant wildlife. This is Kerala's backwaters, a serene and alluring world of its own. The heart of this region is the unique houseboat experience. These traditional ketuvallams, as they are locally known, were once used to transport rice and spices across the region. Today, they serve as luxurious floating hotels, offering a relaxed and intimate way to explore the backwaters. As you glide along the calm waters in a houseboat, observe the daily life of the locals along the banks, from fishermen casting their nets to children waving as they play by the water's edge. The richness of the backwaters is not just in its serene environment, but also in its biodiversity. It is a haven for hundreds of species of birds, fish, and plants. The sight of a kingfisher diving for its meal or the sound of a nightingale's song as dusk falls adds to the magic of this place. The backwaters also boast a rich culinary tradition. The local cuisine is a delightful fusion of traditional Kerala flavors and colonial influences. Savor dishes like the Karameen Polichattu, a local fish delicacy wrapped in banana leaf, or the duck roast, a spicy and flavorful dish that is a must-try. The culture here is deeply rooted in tradition, with the backwaters playing a central role in many local festivals and rituals. The famous snakeboat races held during the monsoon season are a sight to behold. Teams of up to 100 men paddle long snake-shaped boats to the rhythm of traditional songs, creating a spectacle that is as thrilling as it is colorful. The tranquility and beauty of Kerala's backwaters offer a unique experience that you won't forget. As the sun sets and paints the sky in hues of orange and purple, you'll find yourself immersed in a world that feels a world apart, yet very much a part of the fabric of India. Feel the rhythm of the backwaters, let it enchant you, and carry the memories of this experience in your heart long after your journey ends. Our next stop is the vibrant city of Jaipur, also known as the Pink City. A city that is a feast for the eyes. Jaipur is dressed in the enchanting color of pink, a symbol of hospitality in Rajasthani culture. Jaipur's rich cultural heritage is a tapestry woven with threads of history and tradition. Its roots stretch back to the 18th century, when Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, a lover of astronomy and architecture, laid its foundation. His vision of a well-planned city is reflected in the geometric precision of Jaipur's city plan, making it one of the earliest planned cities of modern India. The city is home to awe-inspiring forts and palaces that tell tales of its royal past. The Amber Fort, with its grand courtyards and stunning views, and the Hawa Mahal, a honeycombed hive that was a royal viewing stand, are just two jewels in Jaipur's crown. As you wander through the bustling streets, the city's vibrant markets present a kaleidoscope of colors. From intricately designed textiles and jewelry to handcrafted shoes and pottery, every item is a testament to Jaipur's traditional art and craft. It's a shopper's paradise where you can immerse yourself in the local culture. Interesting fact, the art of stone carving is so deeply ingrained in the city's history that Jaipur was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 2019. The city's traditional crafts, such as block printing, stone carving, and pottery, have been passed down through generations, making Jaipur a living museum of traditional Indian art. But Jaipur is not just about the past, it's a city that beautifully fuses the old and the new. Amidst its historical grandeur, you'll find buzzing cafes, art galleries, and modern architecture, painting a picture of a city that embraces change while cherishing its roots. Jaipur's vibrant culture and historical significance make it a must-visit city in India. Finally, we head to the serene valley of Ladakh, a paradise for adventure and nature lovers. Nestled between the towering Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain ranges, Ladakh is a place that teems with ethereal beauty, its landscapes a canvas of raw and untouched splendor. Imagine standing in the midst of vast expanses of rugged terrain, the silence only broken by the occasional whisper of the wind, the lofty mountains, the deep blue skies, and the seemingly endless valleys adorned with a patchwork of green and brown all converge to create a spectacle that is simply breathtaking. For those with a thirst for adventure, Ladakh offers some of the most challenging and exhilarating treks in the world. From the popular Marka Valley Trek to the challenging Chada Trek, which is a winter trail over the frozen Zanskar River, each journey promises a unique experience, a communion with nature that is both intimate and humbling. But Ladakh is not just about its landscapes and treks. It's a region where culture and tradition are woven into the very fabric of everyday life. Deeply influenced by Buddhism, Ladakh is dotted with numerous monasteries or gompas, where monks in maroon robes chant prayers and spin prayer wheels, their resonating sounds a soothing balm for the weary soul. The region's rich biodiversity is another fascinating aspect of Ladakh. From the elusive snow leopard to the graceful Tibetan antelope, Ladakh is home to a diverse array of wildlife, some of which are endemic to this region. The Hemis National Park in particular is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers alike. In essence, Ladakh is a symphony of nature, culture, and adventure. It's a place where the heart finds solace, the mind peace, and the spirit a sense of liberation. The majestic beauty and thrilling adventures of Ladakh will leave you with unforgettable memories. Well, that's a wrap on our journey through India. We've marveled at the majestic Taj Mahal, a testament to love and architectural genius standing proud in the city of Agra. We've drifted through the enchanting backwaters of Kerala, a serene paradise that offers an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. We've experienced the vibrant city of Jaipur, a colorful kaleidoscope of culture, crafts, and cuisine. And we've breathed in the crisp air of the serene Ladakh Valley, a tranquil haven nestled among the towering Himalayas. These places are not just destinations, they are windows into India's soul, revealing its diversity and rich culture. Each locale invites you to delve deeper, to explore, and to experience the essence of India. So, I encourage you, embark on this incredible journey. Let these places etch unforgettable stories in the canvas of your heart. This is Jibon saying goodbye until our next adventure. Travel safe, and remember, every journey is a story worth telling.